And this is the bus station where we started our journey from. You know, I can clearly see all the platform written 18, 14, 15.
The buses, you mean? Maybe if we go the other way.
What do you see that side?
Yeah, we walk a little bit on the other side.
Ah, this side is better. Alright, let's try and zoom closer to the Royal Crescent. So why did we say everything is down? Why is the city built in a hole?
This is the way they used to build cities before. It's the easiest way.
What do you mean easiest way? If you want to bring materials
to protect the city from many things, I guess. You see
from
those
enemies?
houses on top, the white ones, like a line.
Yep, top.
I think that is Charcom. The ones that we always, the ones that we didn't do yet.
Yes. Ah, those ones.
The view from there must be really, really good.
But can we walk through there, or we'll need a bus to take us up to?
We need a bus, of course. Well, unless we want to walk uphill more than an hour. Because this is near that place that we parked, that we had the other view. What's it? Remember that day we went with Mary? It's on the left side here.
What was that? Lansdowne.
Lansdowne. Yeah. Look how full of people this road is.
Well, that's the Union Street, right?
Yeah, I think so. It's full of people.
It is, and it's impressive how you can make up people there, like. Build somewhere that's very difficult. Why not find a flat place to build?
But if you're in city center, you don't feel it.
Yeah, if in every level you can feel it. Well, unless you say you look down, you see, oh my god.
But there's no perfect flat place.
Really?
No.
But this is extremely good.
And even and let me tell you, flat places are not good to build on.
Why?
Because you need the water to drain somewhere.
But these like hilly, won't the water drain into the city?
It will go to the river.
But what if the river is?
The river is make sure that by nature, river is the lowest place. Not too bad.
Not too bad.
I'm not talking about the city.
Definitely. Definitely. Okay. All right. Let me go to the Abbey. I'm on the Abbey now.
Okay. Now you move to the right, and you will see a tall building with a thing like this. This is called the Abbey.
Then there's a bus.
Yes, the red one.
Yeah, the red one.
If you go below the red bus, you will see some columns.
Yes, I can see some columns.
That columns we can only see from the other side of the river. Remember you told me I never.
Yeah. So can we pass through there going home?
We can, but we have to cross Pulney Bridge. Or we have
But
to
you know
go
what?
from-
There was. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a train heading into Bath City or Bath Spa, all the way from London Paddington. We've made it to Bath. Bird's eye view of the city.
Just 15 minutes, yeah. I'm only going to take you 15 We just have lunch and we I'll go and find the boys and then we'll see what's what. Yeah? Okay, we'll just go round to the park down there, okay?